Yes, of course, new technologies are changing the key performance indicators you need to measure. Let me put this simple. You have sales, for example, revenues. Sales is a typically lagging indicator in business to business because it happens too late. Once you sold, you measure this number. But there are a lot of activities leading to that sale. Companies are using another type of indicator, which is activities indicators, which are KPIs that build the sale. For example, pipelines, how many projects you have, how many visits, how many sales calls you did. And this is an improvement because you finally understood that the number of activities you have are a good predictor on the revenues you will produce. So these are called leading indicators because they come before you generate revenues. And this was okay for 5 years. Nowadays, you have technologies that can go beyond the scope of lagging and leading KPIs, for example, by using predictive analytics. With predictive analytics, you can score the project with better chances, you can measure the churn risk on your customers, you can dynamically adjust your prices. And if you are not measuring this, or if you are not considering these advanced indicators as a KPI, then you are creating a conflict for your sales representatives, because you should be leading your company based on what will happen in the future. But if you measure your sales representatives with lagging indicators, well, you are giving them an incentive not to think about the future and just to think, what can I close today? Every company lives on revenues and you must close the deals. You should simply consider what are the factors that lead to a successful sales. And this is, for example, scoring your leads. This is, for example, avoiding your customer from churning or going to a competitor. This is, for example, increasing your prices where you can, and not just closing a deal today because it is on your KPIs to close deals today.